Here's a 2015 BMW 4 Series. Be nimble, be noticed, be unforgettable. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, power sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, sport suspension, AM/FM stereo, driver memory seats, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and memory exterior door mirror settings. BMW is adrenaline unleashed. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At Lexus of North Miami, we're located on US 1 Biscayne Boulevard in North Miami, just minutes from the Turnpike I-95 and 441.